Hello guys, yeah, I'm just walking back. So yeah, I'm just walking. So as I was saying, you can see the sun came out, but it is still freezing guys, because this coming to the winter period. So this coming to the winter period guys, so it is a bit sunny, but it is still cold. And if you can see a next boat sailing out, going out through the harbor. So you can see guys, a next boat going through the harbor. Yes, our next boat going through the harbor guys. Anyway guys, as you reach this part of the video, just please share and subscribe, so your Songster TV can grow. And one more other things guys, I get so much viewers and subscribers. Thank you guys for watching my content that I put out, and I appreciate you guys to supporting me. Anyway, I am grateful, thanks to God. So as you catch this end of the video, just give me share, subscribe and share it guys. Anyway, I'm out for now. Bye.